What's up everybody, it's Dr. Scott with Full Body Fix, and we are going to do 19.1, Active Recovery. If you are doing the CrossFit Open, this will be an active recovery designed specifically to help you recover after basically 15 minutes of wall balls and rowing. I'm going to focus mostly on quads, hips, and a little bit of low back. We're going to start just nice and easy with a hip ground rotation drill. So feet flat on the ground, knees bent. You can support yourself here with your hands behind you and just kind of rolling back and forth. I did this workout this morning. Mostly what I'm feeling is kind of like lateral glute and quad. So that's what we'll be focusing on today. We'll go through that maybe 15 or 20 times. And then as I roll into one side, I'll kind of drop back into that 90-90 sort of pigeon type of pose and spend a little time just kind of leaning into that front leg a little bit more each time. All these active recovery exercises I'm going to show today, we're not really doing long sustained holds. We're not doing any smashing or mashing. We're just going to use movement as medicine, lightly moving through range of motion and allowing that body to clear some of that lactic acid by pumping some motion in through the muscles. Maybe 10 or so of these kind of pigeon leans on each hip. Next, same concept. I'm going to move up to the quads now. Get up on my knees and put my feet flat on the mat and just sit back. Feels good. So again, thinking about a light contraction, a light stretch, and just kind of, again, pumping some motion into those tissues. If you don't feel anything in these, you can certainly go to something like a couch stretch, a little bit more aggressive. But for me, I just kind of like moving a little bit in some of these kind of stretching or mobility drills. So again, I'll do 15 or 20 sort of quad flosses. Then we can roll right into some lower back stuff. I'm just going to push back into child's pose. But again, we're going to do it in an active way. So I'm going to come up to tabletop, all fours position, drop down, and again, elongate that back, a little bit of the shoulders, a little bit of the quads. And I'll move through 15 or 20 of those. You could also hop on a bike, go for a walk, do something where you're pumping the blood, but again, keeping it fairly chill for the rest of today and maybe even into tomorrow. It's been Dr. Scott with the Full Body Fix. We'll see you next time.